Ang Brilliance ay isang tool na ginagamit to make the teaching and learning process easier when it comes to learning Braille. Kasi sa study ng 2015, only 8.5% of the visually impaired learners could really learn Braille because of the complexity. So, ginawa itong Brilliance para mas mapadali yung teaching and learning process. So it's just same with us. If we will be exposed to things that is too difficult, so masasabi mo sa sarili mo na, ay, hindi ako, parang bobo ako. Pero if we will be exposed to things na madali lang, marunong na ako. Because if they could read this level,
Yes.
next level na naman siya, maliit ng konti. So,
Gets.
like ito,
Maliit na
tapos the
maliit.
child will learn like letter sound to letter words, 3 letter words. Then, yung tracking skills niya, of course, sa next level is same lang yung isang line lang. Para yung difficulty ng bata, hindi sila masyadong mag-adjust. Then, if the child could learn letter sound to letter words, 3 letter words, this level, then the child will proceed to this level.